As you can see, I already added my herbs, my seasoning to my beef stew cubes. And yeah, now I'm going to mix the beef stew cubes together with the natural seasoning. Give it some flavor, we have to really mix the beef just to make sure that the seasoning is covering all the beef cubes. Now I'm going to let it settle and then add some water to it. Just a little hydration, And then we're going to let that soak and cook and marinate. And I'm just going to stir this beef up. Make sure the water is like spreading all through. Because we do need some, we need some gravy up in here, okay? Yeah, so look at that. Now it's boiling, it's steaming, it's creating the juices that we need to give, to add the flavor to the beef. And yeah, I love it. But wait a minute, you guys, I'm not done yet. Look at all the smoke. That's when you know your beef is like really cooking. But I'm going to get rid of the smoke. So now you can see it, right? It look all plain and dull, the beef cubes, but now we're going to add some seasoning, more seasoning to it. We're going to add some nice gravy to it, but don't worry, just sit back and wait. Let it cook some more because that beef still have to marinate, and we have to get all the seasoning and get that juice prepared for when I start adding the green peppers, red peppers, and onions to add some flavor into it, Oh, another thing I forgot to tell you guys, I did add some sassoon inside of it. I didn't show that part, but yeah, some sassoon is in there. But yeah, we're gonna soak those, peppers, yellow peppers and onions in there. Yes, I used the frozen peppers. Yes, out of the bag. Okay, there's nothing wrong with that. Still deliver the same flavor to your food. So now we're going to let that marinate in there, okay? Give it some nice taste to the beef cubes. But now, look at that smoke. Look at that smoke. It's just looking so good. And look at that beef. Oh, it's just so delicious. But we're missing one thing, the pack of the beef stew gravy packet. Yes. I didn't make my own gravy, you guys. I love the beef stew gravy packet because it has all the flavor that's in there. And yeah, I know I was supposed to make the gravy on the side and then pour it in, but this is how I do it. I love to just pour everything in. But don't worry, you guys, stay tuned and watch how the gravy just starts to marinate into the juice. Don't worry, it's not going to be clumpy. Just stay tuned and watch it. Hoodalicious's got this. Okay, not everything is perfect now when I'm cooking, but don't worry, it tastes delicious. Look at it. Don't worry, you're going to see how it just marinates and blends right in. It's not going to be clumpy. Everything is going to blend in. And then the meat is going to create more juice. Okay, I'm just stirring it in there, mixing it in there, and voila, look at that. Look at that gravy. Nice and juicy. Look at the beef cubes, so delicious. I love my beef stew cubes. I love them. They're so good and delicious. Yes, you guys, on Hoodaliciouscooking, you're not going to get a plate. So yeah, this is how it is.